In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add beneficiary in Chase Bank. So first, you need to access your Chase application, and once you are in, you will see this page, which is actually it will ask your user ID as well as your password for you to able to access your account. And if you already entered your information, just click the sign in button, and then you will see on your home page is the basics, and you will see the profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you will see under the settings is a bunch of options, but we were going to click on the investments. Once you click on that one, a drop down menu will pop up, and under that you will see beneficiaries. You just have to click on the beneficiaries, and as you can see, you have a bunch of options, whether it is a managed brokerage, managed retirement, and brokerage. You just have to click on the brokerage. Once you click on that, select add beneficiaries, and then you'll be able to add your beneficiary as well as its information as well. And then after that, click confirm to add, and now you have already added your beneficiary. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.